Hello, welcome back to our channel, where we provide everything you need to know about your health. Today we'll explain how alcohol impacts your liver, step by step. Understanding this process can help you make healthier choices and protect your body. Before we start, what does the liver do? Your liver is one of the body's hardest working organs. It filters toxins, processes nutrients, and helps with digestion. When alcohol enters the body, the liver is responsible for breaking it down. But too much alcohol can overwhelm this process. Now let's look at the steps through which alcohol can harm you. Step 1. Alcohol metabolism. When you drink, alcohol travels to the liver. The liver uses enzymes to break it down into acetaldehyde, a toxic substance. Acetaldehyde is then converted into acetate, which is less harmful. But if you drink heavily, acetaldehyde builds up, damaging liver cells. Step 2. Fat buildup, fatty liver. Excess alcohol disrupts how the liver processes fats. This leads to fat accumulation inside liver cells. This condition is called alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's often silent with no symptoms, but it's the first warning sign. Step 3. Inflammation. Continued drinking irritates the liver. The buildup of toxins triggers inflammation and swelling. This stage is called alcoholic hepatitis. Symptoms may include abdominal pain, jaundice, yellowing of the skin, and fever. Step 4. Scarring. Over time, repeated damage causes scar tissue to form. This scarring is called fibrosis. If drinking continues, fibrosis progresses to cirrhosis, severe scarring that permanently damages the liver. At this stage, the liver struggles to function, leading to life-threatening complications. What are the risk factors? Not everyone who drinks develops liver disease, but risk increases with heavy or long-term drinking, poor diet and obesity, genetic factors, coexisting conditions like hepatitis. The more you drink, the higher the risk. Symptoms to watch for. Liver damage often develops silently, but warning signs may include fatigue, abdominal swelling, yellowing of eyes or skin, easy bruising or bleeding. If you notice these, seek medical help immediately. Prevention and recovery. The best way to protect your liver is to limit alcohol intake. Healthy habits like balanced nutrition, exercise, and regular checkups also help. What lifestyle changes do you think help protect the liver? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to share this video to raise awareness. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.